What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Let's try this again. I was halfway through it and my damn computer screen recorder died on me, but we are going to be going over some price targets to the upside for XRP on the weekly. Then we'll go and come down to the daily and we'll break it down more of like a less moon boy talk, more realistic what could be going on with the price action right now. But you know, if we're here to do some price predictions, let's do some damn price predictions because we know the SEC cannot stop the XRP army. It cannot stop XRP from growing. We are going to the moon 100% on XRP. Okay, you heard it here first. And yeah, so like I said, we'll start out on the weekly, then we'll move our way over to the daily. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us on Discord, and follow me on Twitter. And most importantly, if you guys would like to learn how to make $286 in 17 minutes like I did right here, or $312 in an hour and a half like I did right here, or even 4,400% like I did right there, then go down below the video, sign up to bybit using my link right here. You can get up to $1,600 for free. And once you do, as a thank you, I will send you guys my course completely for free. There's no catch, there's no gimmicks. All you got to do is sign up and deposit onto this exchange and start trading. If you already have an account with Bybit or another exchange, that's fine. Just transfer your money over to this new account, transfer your crypto, and start trading. And once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you this course completely for free as a thank you. And also, too, don't forget, once you join the Discord, also as a thank you, we do have this trade and chill section here where we actually do live trading. So this trade right here that I actually took it live in the Discord. So make sure you guys are joining us there. And without further ado, let's jump back into the video. So with XRP, what are we looking at here? Well, if we go to our trend-based Fibonacci retracement and we pull it from swing high to swing low and we have it on log scale, what this is showing us is that usually when you're dealing with all-time highs and you're dealing with price action where there is no other price action to go off of, right? Like over here, we have some price action to go off of. There's none up here. You use Fibonacci. Here, what this is saying that the 1.618 is coming in at $27.50, okay? $27.50. If you know about Fibonacci, you know that it loves the 1.618. It loves its 618s, okay? So this is definitely an area that we could be going to, as far as XRP goes, to the upside on the weekly. So what would we need to basically see from the price action in order to get there? Well, there's a couple of key things here. One, if we zoom ourselves in right here, the first thing that we need to do is break above this level on the weekly. This is a weekly level that's kind of holding us down. This little section right here, you guys can see if we do this, this is like a little support resistance flip area. So this is the first section that we need to break above, okay? The second section is the second all-time high, the whatever you want to call it, in second place. The high that's in second place is the all-time high. This is the next area that we need to break, okay? Because this clearly was a strong resistance for multiple weeks, multiple weeks, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. So this is the next key area, and obviously we have the all-time high as the next area. So what that would look like, what we would need to see is some of the price action moving up like this, then coming to back test as they flipping the resistance into support. That's always very, very key. Then you come up, then we're going to flip this into support, right? And then after that, if we break the all-time high, we know that it's game over from there. We could just I mean, look at this absolute skyrocket right here. We know, look at this skyrocket, we know for a fact, just by, even if you weren't even around during the time that this was happening, just by looking at the charts, we know for a fact, okay, that XRP can climb. It knows how to climb like a madman. So that's why I don't have any doubts that if we do break the all-time high, we could reach this level of $27.50 towards that 1.618. Okay, but main thing is that we have to backtest it as support, because obviously, you know, we could just come up like this and then just come right back down. And obviously XRP has done that too. You know, it comes up and then it comes down and then it comes up and then it comes down, and it comes up and then it comes down. XRP definitely knows how to crash, but it also knows how to go to the upside like a madman, okay? And then on the daily, let's just go ahead and get rid of this stuff. Let's hurry this up. I don't want to make this video too long. On the daily, let's go over some of these EMAs. And so what we're seeing here is that we have some EMAs showing up right in this little area right here, which is a previous support and resistance flip area. So that's really, really good because, like I said, what we need to see is the price action on the daily. And just looking at the price action right here, we need to come above this level right here, okay? And so in order to see that, if we do, we'd want to see it come up like this. If it doesn't just come straight up, which I think it'll probably do something like this, right? That'll be more healthy. Back test and then shoot up. What we do not want to see is it start to come down. If it does come down, we need to be held up by the EMAs around this little consolidation area right here. This is a support resistance flip. That's why there's some consolidation. We need to be held up by that area to come up. If not, then the next area that we'd be looking at is right around here. So let's go ahead and get rid of some of these brushes here. So as that drawing was saying, we need to be held up by this area right here. If not, our second line of defense would be down here during this consolidation support resistance zone right here. Okay. If that doesn't get held up, then, well, I mean, I don't know. I don't know, man. Things are not looking too good for us. But for the most part, that's what we need to see with XRP. Okay. And yeah. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to go down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We do this on a daily basis. Join the Discord and follow me on Twitter. Most importantly, again, like we were talking about earlier, if you guys want to learn how I made $286 in 17 minutes, or how I was able to make $312 in an hour and a half, or even the super amazing luxurious crazy trade that I took where it's 4,400%, go down below, join us over on Bybit. You can get up to 1,600 for free. And most importantly, once you do that, I will send you my course for free. There's no gimmicks. There's no nothing. You don't owe me anything. All you got to do is sign up, deposit money onto the account that you just made, and start trading. Once you do, you message me on Discord or Twitter, and I will send you my course completely for free. And if you already have an exchange with an account with another exchange somewhere else, it doesn't matter. Just take that money, even if it's on Bybit already, take that crypto, put it onto your new Bybit account that you used with my link, and I will send it to you. Just message me and let me know that you did that, and we'll hook you up with that. And then also, too, most importantly, when you join the Discord, you will be a watcher, okay? You'll be a watcher. Just post up your charts, let me know that you're serious, and then I'll change you from a watcher to a trader or charter, you can see here. And that gets you access to this trader and charter section, where we are posting up some of our ideas that are netting, 2.6%. Someone right here, let's see, 7.4%. In fact, it's already up now, probably because we're taking the highs. So yeah, Max is posting up his ideas, you can see here. And there's all of that fun stuff. And then also, too, just in general, people are posting up a lot of their wins. Norse, Terry Bong, Mr. Gixer. So yeah, we're just a good community. We're actually live trading over here. We scalp trade, we day trade, we swing trade. We trade all the trades. So you guys can see here, just a bunch of people are joining in with us. So yeah, hit the like and subscribe button. Join us over on Bybit, Discord, Twitter, all that fun stuff. I'll catch you guys on the next video.